Hey, yeah, I'm already gone. Just
y'all, I'm back with some human hair drip that I'm actually very excited about. Y'all know synthetic is normally my thing, but we do tip our toe in human hair because some of you guys like it. So what we do with human hair is we'll work with a company 2 or 3 times to see if we like them. If we like them, we add them to the rotation. If they trash, I'm gonna tell you they trash, we never work with them again. Afsisterwig is one of the companies that I absolutely love, and if you like natural hairstyles, this is the #1 human hair company I would tell you, because we work with a lot. But if you look for natural hair, hands down, Afsisterwig is the best in the game. Normally I take this straight out of the shipping and just put it to the side because I like to unbox it with y'all, but I know what's in here because I was excited about it. This is a wig that comes with, I know y'all been seeing the ads all over like Facebook and YouTube, kinky edges. Y'all know I ain't got no edges, and the little bit that I do have, I cannot lay down. These edges are supposed to be kinky to make them look more natural, so we shall see. At least that's what they said they was sending. Now, what if they ain't sending that? What if there's like a 99 J Bone straight wig, okay? But there you are, box all beat up. That don't matter. First of all, the wig is this beautiful kinky pattern. Okay, but let's look at what else they sent. They sent some hair clips, some little bobby pins. That's different. I'm actually gonna keep that. So whoever buy this off Poshmark, you ain't getting them bobby pins. A little eyebrow brush and some stocking caps. All right. So they also put a card in here about the information on these kinky edges that I'm really, really excited about. Let's see. Say it come with some very special lace, invisible Swiss lace, yada yada. Just see. So it has supposed to have like natural edges, kinky edges, and the lace. The lace is supposed to be bomb, but that's with every Afsister wig that we get. They had some of the best lace that I've seen. Okay, so first, y'all look at this texture. That's what I meant when I said like the best natural texture wigs, 1000%. If somebody asked me, because like I said, we work with a lot of companies and they ask me for like natural texture, I wouldn't hesitate to tell them Afsisterwig. That's the first thing, okay? Second, y'all check them edges. They look very natural and kinky, don't they? The cap construction, you get a comb in the back and adjustable straps. And then in the front, you get, I want to say this is a 13x6. It could be a 13x4. Hell, it could be an 87x49. Look at the description box, you'll see. You get all of this parting space. You get a comb here to the right, a comb to the left, and they have the band already put in to make it lay flush to your head, okay? Y'all, that's a trip though, with them edges, huh? Before we cut off the lace, let's put it on our head to see what it's looking like. Oh, y'all. And you know how girls will do wigs and they have like leave out. I can never leave nothing out because ain't shit to leave out. This looks like if I had hair, what my edges would look like, y'all. Wow, they come up with something new, it seems like every other week, don't it? That's pretty bomb. Y'all, let's cut off this lace and play around with it. And I ain't gonna do too much. I really don't think you have to, y'all. We're gonna play around with it a little bit and then I'm gonna come back with my final thoughts. Y'all. And if you rock with me, you know human hair normally ain't my drip. I promise you, this is the best human hair wig that I reviewed in all of 2022. And this is November of 2022. It was just 1 month left. Afsisterwig came in and took that #1 position. I did run my hot comb through it. I think I showed you footage of it, like hot comb haphazardly and then not hot comb on one side. The hair, first of all, the hair itself is just bomb.com. The hair is beautiful. The hair is full. Of course, I'm not getting no shedding, no tangling, but I mean, it's straight out of the pack. The lace on here, the edges on here make this wig a definite must-have. Y'all, this is just mind-blowing to me. And y'all know I'm not a wig slayer. I always say I'm a wig player. I like playing in wigs. Like, I really can't comb hair. And if I was able to achieve this and I cannot comb hair, if you are a wig slayer, imagine what you can do with it. Y'all, this is bomb. And you know, if it was bullshit, I would tell you that it is. No, this is really, really nice hair. I'm not sure if the inches or any of that, but Afsister always gives me the details. If you look down in the description box, you will see it. So keep that in mind when you order the length that you want. And then with this parting space, the bomb thing about it, with this parting space, you can do some half up, half down styles that would be super cute with this texture and them edges, like 1000%. If you have never ordered human hair based off one of my reviews, today is the day that should change. And I promise, sis, I'm not BSing you. This is very, very, very nice hair. I definitely recommend this one. They actually have another one they make with these kinky edges, and I think I'm gonna try that one out too, because this one just blew my mind. If you are a synthetic wig wearer, do y'all remember, y'all know the wig Nisha 203? It gives you that vibe of 203, but with them bomb edges, y'all. Best wig of 2022. And y'all know I never really say like gimmicky shit like that. This one really was. 1000% recommend this one. Like I would say, maybe you're not even into wigs. Maybe it is your cousin Nisha. She looking for some hair. This is what we need to put her in. Right here, y'all. Until next time, which will be very, very soon.